She was very unhappy. How could her sons face the might of the Kaurava army that would be led by Bhishma, Drona and Karna? Even if Bhishma and Drona were gentle with their pupils, Karna would attack fiercely. She decided to appeal to Karna, and one day he was surprised to find Kunti waiting for him. She told him he was the son of Surya, the sun god, and herself. He was the eldest brother of the Pandavas. He should not therefore have hatred for them and be a Pandavas, she said. Karna did not agree. He told her that Duryodhana had been kind and generous to him. He could not now be disloyal and betray his trust. You will have 5 sons, he assured her. Either I or Arjuna will live. Weapons and armor. Karna's earrings and armor were divine protective gifts from his father Surya. Indra wished to protect his son Arjuna against Karna. So he went disguised as a Brahmana and begged the earrings and armor from Karna. Karna had been warned by Surya, but he was unable to turn down the request. So he gave them to the Brahmana. Touched by Karna's generosity, Indra gave him his weapon Shakti as a boon for use once in battle. Then Karna went to Parshuram, posing as a Brahmana, and trained as his disciple to obtain the Brahmastra from him. Parshuram, an enemy to all Kshatriyas, taught Karna, but he discovered that his pupil was actually a Kshatriya. He cursed Karna for the deception and said that during a crisis in battle, the weapon's mantra would fail him. It was the failure of this mantra that helped Arjuna kill Karna later during the war at Kurukshetra. The generals. All discussions had failed. War was certain. The armies were getting ready with 7 divisions of the Pandavas and 11 divisions of the Kauravas, each division under a noble warrior with chariots, elephants and foot soldiers. The Pandavas had their divisions under Drupada, Virata, Drishtadyumna, Shikandin, Satyaki, Chekitana and Bhimsena. Balram withdrew from the war because both Bhima and Duryodhana were his pupils. They discussed who would be the general and decided that the commander would be Drishtadyumna. Similar preparations were going on among the Kauravas. Command was given to Bhishma. He undertook the command on condition that he would do all the duties of a commander and a warrior to serve Hastinapur, but he would not kill any Pandava. Bhishma and Karna were hostile to each other, so Karna said he would enter the war only after Bhishma had left the field. Then he would kill Arjuna. The armies began to move towards Kurukshetra. Rukmini. Rukmini was the only daughter of Bhismaka, king of Vidarbha. She had decided to marry Krishna, but her eldest brother Rukma wished her to marry Shishupala, king of Chedi, and persuaded his father also to agree. When preparations for the marriage began at Kundinapura, she sent a messenger to Krishna, telling him of her resolve to die if he did not take her away and marry her. Krishna set off immediately. Balrama guessed his intention and followed with a huge force to protect him from the enemies who would certainly attack him. Rukmini came out from a temple after prayers and, seeing Krishna's chariot, ran into it. As they took off, Rukma's force gave a hot chase. Balrama had arrived. A great battle took place and Rukma was defeated. His offer to join first the Pandavas and then the Kauravas for war was brushed off by them. No one wanted a disloyal brother.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.